Today I am going to teach you blouse neck back design. See friends, this is the neck and its width is 2 inches. Length is 7 inches. Here I have embroidered blouse piece. I am going to use lining in this blouse. See friends, here I have marked the design of V-neck. We have V-neck on embroidered designer piece. I have made drawing of the neckline design. See, we have made the neckline design according to the work on the blouse. Just have a look. Mark small cuts over the neckline as shown, and after marking the cut, flip it over. Just have a look. Now we will attach piping on neckline. Today I am going to show you cutting of square neck design. Here we mark breadth of the neck 2 inches, shoulder 5 inches, length of the neck is 9 inches, breadth of the neck from the bottom is 2.5 inches. Combine the upper 2 inches with the bottom 2.5 inches. Make 5.5 inches on shoulder's length. Chest 10 inches, mark 9 inches for the fitting. Here the calculation goes to 9 into 2, that is 18, and 18 into 2, that is 36. So this blouse is for the 36 inches chest. This straight line is for the fitting. Now mark a small line and design the curvy neck. Let me show you the cutting process. Cutting of the square neck is done. Let me open it. So here we have our square neck cutting done. Now we will do the further cutting. Put that square string on the cloth. And mark the same alignment. Mark 1.5 inches extra from the bottom. Also mark 1.5 inches from the length as well. This is the shape of the neck. We will cut it carefully. Now I am going to set this on the blouse. Place it appropriately on the neck portion. This is how we will set it, and now I will start stitching. See, this is how we will cut it to one angle. Move it towards the other angle and start stitching. Do not stitch in round shape. Stitch in straight line. Once again, move it towards the next angle and start stitching. See, this is how you have to stitch in straight lines only. Then only you will get the perfect square neckline. Now, cut the neckline with scissors. Roll the loosened fabric inside the stitch. So here we have perfect square neck ready. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and comment. Also, don't forget to subscribe my channel.